Welcome to our YouTube video on credit card basics for beginners. Today, we'll be diving into the world of credit cards and why understanding how they work is crucial for managing your personal finances effectively. Credit cards are powerful financial tools that allow you to make purchases on credit, essentially borrowing money from the card issuer to be paid back later. While they offer convenience and flexibility, it's important to use them responsibly to avoid falling into debt traps. Understanding the basics of credit cards, such as interest rates, credit limits, and payment due dates, is essential for making informed financial decisions. By using credit cards wisely, you can build a positive credit history, which can open doors to better loan terms and financial opportunities in the future. Responsible credit card usage is key to maintaining financial well-being. By paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and avoiding unnecessary debt, you can protect your credit score and avoid costly fees and interest charges. In today's world, credit cards play a significant role in our daily lives, from online shopping to booking travel accommodations. Learning how to leverage their benefits while avoiding common pitfalls is essential for achieving financial stability. So, let's explore the world of credit cards together and empower ourselves with the knowledge needed to make smart financial choices. Types of credit cards. Let's explore the diverse world of credit cards available to beginners and uncover their unique features to help you make informed choices when selecting the right card for your needs. 1. Rewards cards. Rewards cards offer incentives such as cashback, points, or miles for every dollar spent. For example, the Cashback MasterCard allows you to earn cash rewards on your purchases, providing a tangible benefit for your spending. While these cards can be lucrative, they often come with higher interest rates and annual fees. Secured cards. Secured cards are designed for individuals with limited or poor credit history. These cards require a security deposit, which acts as collateral in case of default. The Secured Discover card is a popular option that helps users build or rebuild their credit score by responsibly managing their card. 3. Student cards. Student cards are tailored for college students and young adults who are new to credit. These cards often have lower credit limits and may offer rewards geared towards student spending habits. An example is the Travel Rewards Visa, which provides travel perks and rewards tailored to students' lifestyles. By understanding the benefits and drawbacks of each type of credit card, you can choose the one that aligns with your financial goals and spending habits. Whether you're looking to earn rewards, build credit, or enjoy travel perks, there's a credit card out there that suits your needs. Understanding credit scores. In this segment, we'll delve into the world of credit scores and unravel how they impact credit card applications and approvals, guiding you towards making informed decisions to enhance your financial well-being. Credit scores are numerical representations of an individual's creditworthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. Lenders use these scores to assess the risk of lending money to a borrower. Factors that influence credit scores include payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and new credit inquiries. For instance, an excellent credit score typically falls within the range of 800-850, indicating a strong credit history and responsible financial behavior. On the other hand, a fair credit score may range from 580-669, reflecting a moderate credit risk, while a poor credit score below 580 suggests a higher likelihood of default. Improving your credit score can open doors to better credit card offers with lower interest rates and higher credit limits. To boost your score, focus on making timely payments, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding opening multiple new accounts within a short period. By understanding the nuances of credit scores and taking proactive steps to enhance them, you can position yourself for greater financial success and access to a wider range of credit card options tailored to your needs. Credit card terms and fees. In this section, we'll demystify common credit card terms and fees that beginners should familiarize themselves with to navigate the world of credit cards effectively and manage their finances wisely. 1. APR, annual percentage rate. APR represents the annual cost of borrowing money on a credit card, including interest and fees. It's crucial to understand your card's APR, as it directly impacts the amount of interest you'll pay on outstanding balances. 2. Annual fees. Some credit cards charge an annual fee for the privilege of using the card. While not all cards have annual fees, those that do may offer additional perks or rewards to justify the cost. 3. Late payment fees. Late payment fees are charged when you fail to make at least the minimum payment by the due date. These fees can add up quickly and negatively impact your credit score. 4. Balance transfer fees. When you transfer a balance from one credit card to another, you may incur a balance transfer fee. It's essential to consider this fee when deciding whether to transfer balances to consolidate debt. Understanding these terms and fees is essential for managing your credit card costs and overall financial well-being. By being aware of how these fees can impact your finances, you can make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary expenses. Remember, staying informed and proactive is key to using credit cards responsibly and maximizing their benefits for your financial future. Building credit responsibly. In this segment, we'll explore essential tips and strategies for beginners to build and maintain good credit through responsible credit card usage, setting the foundation for a strong financial future. 1. Make on-time payments. One of the most critical factors in building good credit is consistently making on-time payments on your credit card bills. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score and lead to additional fees. 2. Keep credit card balances low. Maintaining low credit card balances relative to your credit limits demonstrates responsible credit usage and can positively impact your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% to show lenders that you can manage credit responsibly. 3. Monitor credit reports regularly. Regularly checking your credit reports allows you to spot any errors or fraudulent activity that could harm your credit health. By disputing inaccuracies promptly, you can protect your credit score and financial reputation. By following these tips and establishing healthy credit habits, you can build a solid credit history and improve your creditworthiness over time. Remember, responsible credit card usage is not just about making purchases. It's about setting yourself up for long-term financial stability and unlocking opportunities for future financial success. Start building your credit responsibly today to pave the way for a brighter financial tomorrow. From different types of credit cards to credit scores and fees, having a solid grasp of these concepts can help you make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls in managing your finances. By making on-time payments, keeping balances low, and monitoring your credit reports, you can establish healthy credit habits that will benefit you in the long run. By taking control of your credit card usage and making smart financial choices, you can pave the way towards a more secure financial future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips, and share this video with others who may benefit from guidance on credit card management. Together, let's empower ourselves with the knowledge and tools needed to achieve financial success. Thank you for watching.